Hi, everyone. My name is Douglas Kramer, and I'm a Global Health and Environment Program master's student in UC Berkeley School of Public Health. For my summer fellowship this year, I was working in Quito, Ecuador, at the University of San Francisco de Quito, studying antimicrobial resistance in commercial poultry systems and the downflow effects of those systems. Before my work, the existing data in the area around Quito suggested that large poultry operations, which are basically just big farms growing chickens with the intent to sell them for food, may have been a hidden source for transmitting these antimicrobial resistant organisms like E. coli, which was the focus of my study. So, to find out more, I collected raw chicken samples, water samples from irrigation canals, and chicken waste, either directly from the chickens or as compost. Once we had the design established, this fellowship was an opportunity for me to really dig into the fieldwork and collaborate with people from the area. So I was lucky enough to be connected with a local driver and several microbio students from the USFQ who knew the area. And so we would go through these communities, sampling, looking for places that might be important for the study. And for me, it was a great chance to talk with community members and understand their experiences, both how they pertain to my project and just in general. The most memorable part of this trip by far was when my team and I were invited into the home of some community members who had seen us sampling and working and were interested in what we were doing. They said that they had been concerned previously about the safety of the irrigation canal that ran through their backyard and into their garden because their children and their animals often played in it. So, at their request, we were able to measure their water quality, uh, talk to them about the results, and give specific recommendations and resources for how to best keep them safe. So, for me, this was a great chance to share what I'd been learning with people who hadn't encountered microbiology before, especially not in an academic setting. And I'm really grateful that I could explain everything in a way that was understandable by everyone in their family and could hopefully keep them safe for the future. In addition to teaching me how to work abroad, this fellowship also gave me kind of a chance to work independently as a researcher, and I built some really meaningful international connections as a result. But I'd say moving to a more personal level, I was able to travel the country, make a lot of new friends, which is great. We're still in contact. And at the end of the trip, I guess the highlight of the non-working portion, I was able to go to the Galapagos, and that was huge for me just for the wildlife, the natural beauty, and I love just being in the water at all times. So anywhere that I can like maybe try and surf, but I didn't get a chance to, but try and surf, get out there, swimming in the water, that was really great. So I was lucky to be able to do that. I think for any students out there considering doing work abroad, you should definitely consider applying to the UCGHI fellowship. I just want to end by saying thank you so much to the UCGHI folks for supporting me, my work, and this life changing opportunity. Bye, everybody.